Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're doing a dollar haul, which are my favorites because I love going to the dollar store. That's basically like my mall. So I bought this stuff in different stores and I bought them separately. Like one day I will go to one store and another day I will go to another store. So every day they have different things. Well, not every day, but I feel like every 3 days, every 4, or maybe even every week. I don't really know, but every time I go I always see a different stuff, but I also go to different stores, if that kind of makes sense. So I hope you guys understand me. So the first two are my favorite. They're these two frames and it has glitter on the side in the frame, and it says it's 4x6 here, but if you take the cardboard, it's gonna be a bigger size. And yep, they're so cute because I love glitter. Like that's my favorite color, even though it's not a color, but I made it a color. My favorite other items are these two little notebooks, the pineapple and the watermelon, and I haven't seen the inside. I'm not even sure if it comes with little lines or it's just white paper. It really doesn't matter, but oh yeah, it comes with the little lines. But yep, they're so cute. I also got these sandwich and snap bags, reusable bags, whatever. These are flamingos and some pineapples, and these are unicorns with some rings. I really wanted to get them because they're cute, and now that Anastasia's eating more food, I could use this to put her little snacks and put her name here. And if your kids go to school and you want to give them lunch, you can just use these. They're so cute, guys. They only have these. They didn't have for boys, so if you guys wanted to get some for the boys, these were the only two designs that they had. Another thing that I really needed is because Anastasia right now is walking. Well, no, she's walking, but like she's in the stage of taking everything out of the cabinets, and one of the cabinets has the restroom chemicals and stuff. So she's in the restroom and she tries to grab them. So I got her, well, not her, but I got this little cabinet lock because I don't want her to be grabbing the chemicals. Anyways, I also have this little hat because it's so cute, because whenever you go to the beach or you're outside or whatever, you just put it on, And I like the pom-poms. I was actually thinking of putting pom-poms all around the hat, but I'm not sure yet. Still think about it. So pretty. I love these. They also have in black. Oh, I also have these little mermaid nail clippers, and it's a baby one and a big one, and they're so cute. I think I've seen these before, but I guess they came back with the nail clippers. They are rose gold. They also have a little fish design, the mermaid thingy, whatever they're called, I forgot. Oh, I saw this in the front of the store and I was thinking, should I get it or not, because I really don't know if it works. But this is a never wet Motosurf liquid repelling treatment. Don't know if it works or not. It says that it works for metal, concrete, wood, and in the back it has a shoe. And honestly, I want to try it, but I'll try it later in another video because Anastasia's asleep, so I want to leave her inside the house. Oh, so it's a base coat and then a top coat. I got Anastasia these two little books because right now she's in love with books. So she gets really excited every time I read to her. So I got tired of reading the same book all over and over and over again. So I got her new books, and it says things that go on land and then things that go air and sea. so I have something else to read. I have these two elf products, and then both of them are eyeliners, and this one is a teal color and it's really pretty. It comes with a little brush. I never used this before. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, let me do a little bit of swatch. Oh yeah, and then the other one is a black navy color, and it's an eyeliner as well. So let's see how this one looks, since that one's taking forever to open. That is so pretty. Okay, I mean, it doesn't dry. Maybe I have to little bit dry it, but okay. So if you see this, it wasn't dry yet, so I touched it really fast. But I'm gonna use this since I like to use colorful eyeliners. I really like the color. Ooh, okay. I don't like this one. Yeah, don't recommend it. I will probably use this more like for an eyeshadow, or probably change the brush, because maybe it's the brush too. I got this for Nico. It says Super Dad for Father's Day. More likely you're gonna see this, babe, but it's okay. You're not gonna see what we're gonna do inside the card. It says Super Dad, and inside the card it says, Dad, you are my hero. Happy Father's Day. And I have this shower cap, and it's ice cream cones, and I need one because now that I have my bleach hair, my blonde hair, since I can't wash my hair. Oh my god, look at this huge knot. Oh my god, I'll wash my hair later. So this is how it looks, and since I can't wash my hair every day because it's gonna damage my hair, and also I feel like it damaged more the ends. I like the material. It's really thick, so if you need one and you want something cute, I recommend these. They also have other patterns and solid colors. So then I have these little key covers, and these are mermaid. This is a unicorn, and these are flamingos. And I also got the cactus ones. Let me show you. So I found them, and these are the little cactus ones, and they're so adorable. Look at them. And right now I'm super obsessed with cactus. Don't know why. I don't know where. I have everything cactus. I already have some of these because they had them last year as well, and the cactus are actually the first time I see them. And the last item I have is this really cute bag. Obviously I could use this for shopping, or whenever I travel, whenever I go to the beach, or anything like in general. So that's the ending of my little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.